Over the last couple of weeks, taxpayers have been routinely frustrated with the Internal Revenue Service (IRS) portal for economic impact payments (EIPs) or stimulus checks. Now, the IRS has announced significant enhancements to the Get My Payment tool.
The enhancements, which started last week and continued through the weekend, adjusted several items related to the online tool, which debuted on April 15. The additional changes will help millions of taxpayers with new or expanded information and access to adding direct deposit information.
We delivered Get My Payment with new capabilities that did not exist during any similar relief program, including the ability to receive direct deposit information that accelerates payments to millions of people, said IRS Commissioner Chuck Rettig. These further enhancements will help even more taxpayers. We urge people who haven't received a payment date yet to visit Get My Payment again for the latest information. IRS teams worked long hours to deliver Get My Payment in record time, and we will continue to make improvements to help Americans.
Anecdotally, taxpayers are already reporting seeing a difference. Taxpayers who were unable to get through to the site before are now receiving information and updates.
We encourage people to check back in and visit Get My Payment, Rettig added. These enhancements will help many taxpayers. By using Get My Payment now, more people will be able to get payments quickly by being able to add direct deposit information.
According to the IRS, nearly 88 million individuals have received stimulus payments worth almost $158 billion in the program's first 3 weeks as of April 17. That number is more than half of the 150 million payments expected to be distributed. For those still looking for their checks, they can check the status of their payment on the IRS website. You only need a few pieces of information to quickly obtain the status of your payment and, where needed, provide bank account information. Having a copy of your most recent tax return can help speed the process.
If you have a filing requirement and have not filed a tax return for 2018 or 2019, you must file a 2019 tax return to receive the payment. If you are not required to file a 2018 or 2019 tax return, visit non-filers, enter payment info here.
Also, remember that Get My Payment cannot update bank account information after your payment has been scheduled for delivery. To help protect against potential fraud, the tool also does not allow people to change bank account information already on file with the IRS.
And be careful, the IRS urges taxpayers to be on the lookout for scams. To use the new app or get information, taxpayers should visit Irs.gov and not a third-party vendor or other sites. People should watch out for scams using email, phone calls, or texts related to the payments. Be careful and cautious. The IRS will not send unsolicited electronic communications asking people to open attachments, visit a website, or share personal or financial information.
Hablas Español? A Spanish version of Get My Payment is expected in a few weeks.
For more help, the Taxpayer Advocate Service, TAS, has introduced a new tool for taxpayers who know they qualify for a payment and want to know what steps, if any, need to be taken.
If you have additional questions, you can visit the Taxpayer Advocate Service Coronavirus COVID-19 Tax Updates webpage. You can also check out some of these articles.
Full coverage and live updates on the coronavirus.